Hi friends, we're back. Timby here. I had a few technical difficulties over the last few weeks. I broke my laptop and we're planning to move continents. So a lot has been happening, but I'm back with the hair dyeing video. Last time I used semi-permanent color in my hair, but I finally decided to stick to my guns and have the color that I've always dreamed of. That color is blue. Teal, whatever you want to call it. I've always wanted to have blue hair. My hair looks terrible, so that's why I need to color it. It's overgrown. I can't wear hats with it, and the summer's too hot, so it's just time for it to be different. What I'm gonna do first is cut it down. It's way too long for me right now, and there's like a lot of damage from like the bleaching that I did before, but it's only on my ends. So that's why I want to cut it down. And also because I can't fit into my cool hats, I've decided to just shave it down a little bit lower so that I can rock my hats. It's really just for the hats. I'm actually gonna use this hair dye by Knight and Wilson. I have actually used this brand before. That's what I used to tone my hair. I know it's a pretty good brand. It is a non-permanent color. Again, we're taking baby steps. I started with temporary color. Now I'm going for non-permanent. And then I think after that I can graduate to being a big girl and going permanent. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see once we get there, okay? We'll see how this turns out. The color I have here is called Tropical Aqua. And it's for multiple applications, and this dye should fade out over time. I'm hoping that I can get 2 or 3 applications since I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm actually gonna get my husband to cut my hair down for me first. He's been my hair cutter person. What are they called? Oh my gosh, I can't think of the name. Barber! I got it! Barber! He's been my barber for the last 4 years, so he's just gonna trim it down for me, and then I will bleach it again since I've got some new growth, and then we'll get the color in. Let's get started! Shout out to my husband, who is just an absolute trooper for even attempting to tame this mane of mine. I don't know how he did it. It was a struggle trying to just get the clippers through. I combed my afro. It just was not cooperating. I think if I also had the opportunity to shave his head, I would cut it this way. So, way to make the most of an opportunity. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I look like an old lady. But now it's, oh gosh, I've got all this on me. Now I'm gonna go bleach it and dye it. That's it. I'm back and the hair's done. I have changed into a white top. This is my bleach shirt. I found that just wearing a white shirt is better than any other color shirt because if you get bleach on it, it stays white. I am now ready to bleach my hair. I started at the back and moved forward because the hair at the back of my head is a lot more coarse. I also made sure that I did my edges last because the hair around the edges is a lot more delicate and it processes much quicker. I also made sure to just oversaturate the hair just to make sure that all the hair is covered and it's bleached properly. I promise I did not plan for this to end up looking like a helmet, but I'd like to think I rocked it well. I've just finished washing out the bleach. I haven't looked at my hair yet, except for the little peak we have over here. So let's see. Oh gosh, I hope I did it right. Oh my goodness. The black has now turned like an orangey red. And now I'm gonna have to tone it because obviously I have two hair colors in my hair. And once that's toned, I'm gonna try and trim it one more time so that I can get rid of the old hair and we can just have one continuous application of the tropical aqua. So now I'm gonna just go and tone my hair. Here we are. I totally forgot to record the toning process and the coloring process. It's just been such a long day. It's a little bit patchy because I was rushing trying to get it in there. I am just so proud of myself for being able to get a haircut, bleach my hair and dye it in one day. That is just phenomenal. I love it. It's exactly how I imagined it. I ended up just like toning and dyeing my hair without cutting off the old lighter hair because I realized that if I have the color in, it'll be much easier to tell when I've cut off the over processed hair because it picked up the color much more. So it was a lot more blue, whereas I have always had the dream of having teal hair, and this is exactly what I imagined. This is a non-permanent hair dye, so as I wash it, it will wash out and I'm probably gonna end up with a weird green hair color at some point, but that's okay. We can fix it. I just wanted to get my teal hair and I have. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the hair. Do you dye your hair? Have you ever dyed your hair blue? How have you dealt with the color changing process afterwards? Let me know down below in the comments. Thanks so much for being here, guys. I am gonna go have some fun with this blue hair.
Awesome. Good job, baby. You did it.
Ah!
You done?
Yeah.
Good job.